Now, when it comes to quantum diagnostics and augmented reality repairs, let's see. Now, quantum diagnostics and augmented reality repairs in automotive and quantum computing in vehicle diagnostics. What is quantum diagnostics? And quantum diagnostics leverages quantum computing to solve complex automotive problems that are impractical for classical computers. All right, so quantum computing is extremely high processing, so that are not practical for classical computers. So by using qubits, quantum bits that exist in superposition, quantum computers can analyze vast data sets exponentially faster. The main thing is it can process, analyze the vast data sets very fast. And when it comes to how quantum computing enhances diagnostics, and in this table we will see classical computing limitation and quantum computing advantage. In classical computing, slow simulation of molecular level wear, for example, engine and oil degradation. And when it comes to quantum computing, millions of models, millions of chemical interactions in seconds. And when it comes to classical computing, the limited ability to predict rare failure modes. But when it comes to quantum computing, it runs parallel simulations of all possible failure scenarios. When it comes to struggles with optimizing large systems, it solves multivariable optimization problems instantly. All right. So when it comes to real world applications, battery health prediction, electric vehicles, and when it comes to problem, lithium ion battery decay depends on countless variables like temperature, charge cycles, etc. Now, when it comes to quantum solution, it simulates quantum chemistry to predict cell degradation. And for example, Volkswagen partnered with D-Wave to optimize charging patterns. All right. So biggest understand all this real world application. For example, first one which I'm talking about right now is battery health prediction. Next is material fatigue analysis. It predicts when a crankshaft or gear will fail, requires atomic level modeling. And when it quantum solution is IBM's quantum computers simulate stress fractures at material level. And when it comes to traffic flow optimization, the problem is IC engine vehicles waste fuel in traffic in efficient routing. And what is the quantum solution? It analyzes the real-time data plus engine load data to suggest optimum gear shifts. Excuse me. Now, when it comes to challenges, the biggest challenge is hardware limitations. All right. Even the most modern quantum computers like IBM's 433 qubit Osprey or error prone. And when it comes to cost, quantum systems require cryogenic cooling. And when it comes to early stage tech, no automotive grade quantum algorithms exist yet. And also the future outlook is 2020, 2025, 2030. Hybrid quantum classical systems for fleet optimization, and 2030 onboard quantum sensors for real-time component wear tracking. Now, when it comes to augmented reality for vehicle repairs and how augmented reality is transforming repairs. When it comes to augmented reality, it overlays digital information, 3D models, instructions, sensor data onto technicians' real world view via smart glasses or tablets. Alright, via smart glasses or tablets, as you can see in the bottom picture, you can see the entire model of the car with the help of the smart glasses. And what are the key technologies which are enabling AR repairs? All right, first is the computer vision. It recognizes engine parts via camera. And second is simultaneous localization mapping, tracks technicians position relative to the vehicle. And third is AI powered diagnostic. It suggests repairs based on OBD2 data. Okay, so these are the various technologies which are enabling the augmented reality. And what are the current use cases? The current use cases, the first is guided assembly, disassembly. All right. When it comes to Porsche's Tech Live Look with Google Glass. Remote experts annotate the technician's view in real time. All right, you you remotely can see what technician is seeing. Okay, for example, you are an engineer and a technician is not able to sort out. As an engineer, you can sort out the problem remotely, and it also reduces repair time by 30%. Now, when it comes to wiring harness troubleshooting, now AR assist, and when it comes to highlights faulty wires in color coded 3D overlays. Now, fluid service procedures. All right. Now, this is one use case which is very extensively used, which is rampant in the current world. First, for example, Hyundai's AR manuals. It shows oil drain plug locations with animated torque specs. When it comes to four, future advancements. Future advancement is holographic engine teardowns. Concept is Microsoft HoloLens projects floating 3D engine models for training. Next, when it comes to artificial intelligence plus augmented reality integration, with the help of this, the predictive overlays, AR glasses flag future failure points. This belt has 6 months left. For example, by seeing the belt through augmented reality itself, the you can understand that belt has only 6 months left. And when it comes to remote expert collaboration, with the help of 5G and augmented reality, a specialized, understand the sentence carefully, a specialist in Germany guides a mechanic in Brazil via real-time augmented reality markup. So these are the endless possibilities and the current use cases which are available in the market, which are prevalent in the world with the help of augmented reality.